episode, I'll be teaching you how to make a simple straight fried rice. Wow, what fried rice? Combinations of all of these vegetables on the table will be making your awesome fried rice. So today, I'll be adding a little bit of oil on my pan, and then I'll start adding the vegetables. First principles on how to make an awesome fried rice is to add the vegetables according to their hardness, and that is the first thing we're going to be learning today. But today I've got the steak in it, a fresh steak from the local market, and I'm going to be adding that first because that is the most difficult one on the pan. I like to cook for about 2 minutes, ensure that it's properly cooked. But the most important is you are buying the real steak, and that's what makes it cook very fast. Keep chopping the mushroom. I got this lovely mushroom. Very important. And it's time for us to start adding our vegetable. At this point, I want my onion to really add more flavor to the food. I'm just going to add a handful of onion to it. Then allow that to cook. It's time for us to add our garlic to it. I'm just going to rough chop it. Nothing makes a better fried rice unlike getting the fresh vegetables. If you can afford it, get them. Not necessarily you have mushrooms, not necessarily you have expensive vegetables. Just do with what you have. It's just simple. I'm going to add my garlic to it. At this point, I'm going to stir, and then my carrot will come in. Wow, a thinly sliced carrot. Ensure you don't overcook it. It's time our spice start coming in so they can have enough time to cook. Some black pepper, some mixed spice, some fresh chili. I have to lift this on the heat so it doesn't get too. Reduce the heat. At this point, you will get to the end of making this awesome fried rice. And I'm going to add some yellow bell pepper, some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, allow it to cook. Put some salt to give you this push, but just make sure that they are not too much. Get some fish sauce, add it to it. Wow, that is absolutely going to be good. Finally, my mushroom will be coming in. Go back to the normal average heat. Let it sweat a little bit. Ensure you don't overcook the mushroom, you don't overcook the vegetables. Let the life remain in the vegetables, and that is what makes it more tasty, more nutritious, and will make you more healthy. So allow it to cook for 1 minute, which is almost rounding up, and then we start getting our rice. The whole trick of making a good fried rice is just with you. The moment you can add those stuff accordingly, the overcooked vegetables, you're really good. So at this point, I'm going to add the hard part of my spring onions. About 250 grams, 1 cup of rice per boil. What type of rice am I using? I'm using the basmati rice. After time. Very important, we are almost there. I'm getting it done. So why not try it at home and get these recipes and enjoy yourself? Well, you'll be getting recipes on our blogs, on our website, and don't forget, just cook good food. Bye bye.